How to turn off and disable default ending on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable default ending on CapCut easily. First thing, go to the app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on the settings here in the top corner. Now you will find many options right here, as you can see, and all what you have to do is so simple. Go to add default ending and click here, and now click discard right here. It's so easy, as you can see. Now it's turned it off successfully. If this video was helpful for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.